Well, Derek said that I could actually turn this into a show. But for now, I just wanted to give you a couple of hints about how to thrive in COVID-19. My name's Matthew. I'm the community connector. I'm providing support to members of the local, whether that's navigating the care or the support that they need, and as well as providing some access to tools. And that's one of the things I wanted to talk about today. This is a financial relief navigator. It can be used on your own, or if you have trouble with it or need help with it, I'm happy to help you with it. What it basically does is it lets you know what you can do to raise your income or lower your expenses during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I'm going to take, we're going to take just a really quick look at going through this as you would as an individual. So obviously this is a tool that's available for everyone in Canada. So we select the province, and I'm just going to pick, I hope, what is a common situation. I'm a senior and I'm taking care of someone else. So what that allows me to do is to tailor which ones of the support programs are actually available to me because of my individual situation. So I chose being a senior and taking care of someone. So you'll notice that the support programs that are talked about are those that are applicable to that person. So it talks about the support for seniors and people with disabilities, about the minimum withdrawal from registered retirement income funds, and the guaranteed income supplement that is in addition for seniors, those that are over 65 and are already receiving the guaranteed annual income support. Each of the items, if we take a quick look at one of them, allows us to learn more about that particular item, who it actually supports, and how you would go about getting that support. If you want to know more or to look at someone else's situation, we can simply change that up at the top. So I'll just very quickly change this to being that I take care of a child. And you'll see that that it talks about the emergency care services for healthcare and frontline staff. For those of you who want to know everything that's available, you can go back and choose View All Benefits, and you can see all of the categories of benefits that are available in Ontario. Well, that didn't take long. Derek said we could do a series. Now we're doing a series. So this is a second conversation I wanted to have with you about the support that is available for you to actually thrive during this time of the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the things I wanted to mention is that there's a webinar being offered by the local Southwest Self-Management Program, and it's talking about safely taking care of you in this time of COVID-19. They're actually presenting this workshop online. It's only a 1-hour workshop. It's occurring on the 9th and on the 23rd of the month of July. And so again, it would be a workshop that you would participate with others online, and it will take you through those things that will help you be safe and protect yourself and others out in the community, about how to take care of your own home, or to actually take care of another person as well. So it's really just a quick opportunity to take the course. The course can be registered for at swselfmanagement.ca, and you'll find, if you go to the as I have here, go to the support for people with health conditions and look at the current workshops that are available. You'll find the webinar Safely Taking Care of You in this time of COVID-19. So in our first two presentations, we've talked about navigating the financial supports that are available. Now we've talked about an online course. Maybe that just doesn't fit. Maybe you need to actually talk to someone, and I'm more than happy to talk with you. I actually have hours at the local where you can just drop in, and that's between 12 and 3 on Mondays. Otherwise, I'm happy to make an appointment with you, whether that's by phone, by video, or in person. Just realize that we will be doing social distancing. You can reach me at 519-508-3663, and my personal private extension is 1005. If you'd rather reach out to me by email, I can be reached at Matthew, M-A-T-T-H-E-W, at thelocalcommunityfoodcenter.org, or THELOCALCFC.org. Thanks for your time, and I hope I get a chance to meet with you.